Oh, hey everybody, it's day 29 of my daily video thingy. Today I got a Wii Classic Controller with some crumbs spilled in it. Let's take it apart and clean her out. Awesome. These things are pretty easy to open. All it takes are these little tri-wing screwdrivers. 3 little teeth instead of 4, like a Phillips. I buy mine on eBay, super cheap. Usually got free shipping. Just look around. So yeah, this controller's got something spilled all over it that makes this really sticky. Also, whatever that is. Ugh. So there's 5 screws on the back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just gonna pop those out real quick. Ew. And that's what we want to clean out. Yeah, whatever this is, stain this real bad. Ew. Well, that was half successful. Whatever this guy spilled on this thing totally stained the D-pad. You can see it right back there when I move it. I think it was fruit punch, so I guess I'm giving this one away for free. If you want a stained Wii Classic Controller mailed to your house, leave a comment below. Tell me your favorite Wii game, what's the last game you played with a Classic Controller, and yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for checking these out. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me your horror stories. Like, do you spill anything on your controllers? Like, do you spill pop all over them? Fruit punch? Adult pop? Tell me in the comments below.